I'm very excited to show you our AI-powered website builder. So earlier you saw the demo by Trina from our website builder without the AI that you can very easily make changes. But still, when you start, you have to pick one of the templates that we have. And let's say, you have a business that is not a restaurant, or it might be, but this is a template that you really like. So normally when you start with this, then you have to spend a bunch of time to go and change that to make it your own. And if you're not a designer, some of those images are going to be difficult for you to source. And, in all honesty, by the time you're done with it, the template might not look really the same because the images that me as a non-designer I'm going to put in are not going to look the best. That's with an easy website builder like Wishpond. But historically, also you have to think about what is the norm in the market. The norm is someone when they want to launch a new website, they have to pay $3, $4, $5, $6,000, wait a couple of months, do a lot of back and forth. And that's what happens. And then once you have the website, it's not easy for you to maintain. And if you have a new offering and you want to update your website, now you have to go through web developers or all of that, and you might not do that if you're launching a new product suite. If you're launching a new vertical and you want to have a version of your website that is specifically for that audience, you might say, no, I'm not going to actually build a new website. It was just too much of a hassle. Now with AI, you don't have those considerations. So I'm going to actually show you now. So let's say this is a template that I like overall, and I say choose. And then it just asks me a couple of simple questions. So I'll ask our analysts here, any thoughts on what would be a good business type for us to try here? Okay, I'm going to say Nihal, maybe?
Yeah, maybe an Italian restaurant. It's right there.
Italian restaurant? Well, I mean, that's in our example. So that feels like cheating. Why don't I change it to French restaurant? Would that be good?
Yeah, okay. Absolutely.
So let's say, you want to make this for a French restaurant, and the name of the French restaurant is, I don't know, French Delight, let's say. Okay. And say generate. All right. Now it's generating for me, and it might take 15, 20 seconds to build a website for me, something that would normally have taken a lot longer than that. So I'll just wait for that to complete. All right, so done. Let's say my French restaurant website, launch the editor. Now, all of this is about that French restaurant that you said. This content is completely unique. Everything here is generated by AI. This background image you see is not a stock photo. It actually is generated by AI. There's no, copyright issues. There's no royalty, none of that. Completely yours. This headline that you see, delicious French cuisine, AI generated that. You see a little image, about us. It even decided for your line of business, probably you want to have menu, reservations, catering, and delivery as the different sections. Meet the team, it talks about that. It even has a little testimonial, absolutely delicious, a must try for any French food lover. Even if I look at the about us, French Delight is here to treat your palate with a unique French experience. Our menu combines classic French delicacies with modern cooking techniques to create amazing flavors. Come in and discover for yourself why we are the go-to French restaurant. And that's awesome. If you don't like it, you can click here and say, actually, give me another version. All right, there you are. There's a new version now. So, that's one of the things that we do with the website builder. I'm going to show you some other functionalities of it. But before I do that, why don't we try a completely new business? Anyone else wants to give us an example to try?
Let's do equipment rentals.
Equipment rentals?
Yeah.
What kind of equipments?
Like construction equipment rental.
All right. Equipment rentals. I've never tried that in the past. We'll see. What is it called, Jason?
It's called, I don't know, A and B rentals. Let's just be really boring.
MB rentals. All right. Generate. So notice how I chose the exact same template again. I could have chosen any one, but I just wanted to show even the same template can look vastly different depending on your input. And, every time is also going to be different. So no two people are going to get the same website. Okay, so B rentals. All right, rent, build, win. So it even comes with a tagline for you. Here's a background image. If you don't like it, change it. Regenerate image. There you go. The about us. I think it assumed it's heavy machinery. So if that's not really what you were hoping for, we can redo it and say, tools.
No, that's incredible. That's incredible.
Yeah, earth moving equipment, heavy machinery, tools, access equipment, meet the team, what people are saying. A&B Rentals was a great choice for my construction project, affordable rates, quality equipment, and friendly staff. So like that's incredible, right? Now, look at this also. Let's say I look at this description about us. A&B Rentals is a go-to source for construction equipment rentals. Okay. Now I say that's good, but I actually want to change it. So first of all, as you saw in Trina's demos, I can just click around, do whatever I want, right? So I'm not stuck with anything. I can delete this and add my own image. But actually, I want to give feedback to AI and I want to say, refine it for me. This text is good, but you know what? I want to, Jason, you tell me what feedback you want to give. Like, let's say something extra that your business covers that wasn't included in this, and you want to say, also make sure to include this. What would be an example of that?
Like just another product maybe that we rent,
Sure.
or
Yeah. What would be another product that you would say?
um,
Make sure to also
trying to think of what
mention
uh, I don't know, heating equipment. I don't know.
heating equipment. Okay. All right. Refine. Okay. Okay, all right. A&B rental is go-to source for construction and heating equipment rentals and the rest, right? And then I say, uh, elaborate. This is kind of short for me. All right, now it elaborated. Now it's getting longer. You want to, let's say you want this for a French website. You can actually give it feedback and say, translate to French. All right, now it's in French. I mean, I don't speak French, but I assume it's fine. So it does all of that for you with a click of a button. You do the same things for images, and if you're also building a landing page or pop-up or something else like that, the same functionality. It can just save you a ton of time. In 20 seconds, 30 seconds, you have a website, and you might say, well, those are not really the images of my business. Fair enough. You can remove them. You can replace them, but it saves you at least 80% of the effort. And then from then on, because Wishpond Editor is so versatile and easy, then you make those changes and go from there as well.